I like to do my doodles on a watercolor background or acrylics or acrylic gouache, and then I let it dry. I don't do a border with washi tape because I like the wet medium to find its own shape and border. Next, what I'll do is I'll go in with a combination of uh, geometrical shapes like a, a spear, a rectangle. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be even, and the lines that I create, some of them I will use and some I won't. I just like to have as many options as I can get. And I'm going to freehand a square. What I'm doing here is creating cells. So each cell is real estate that you can doodle in individually or as a combination of like this one tying into this one. So it always depends on you. I began my doodling when I was like 5. Um, but I had a stroke last June. I'm using the doodling process to um, get motor control on my visual and motor dexterity as well as speaking. So what I do when I ink in the shapes is I like to go towards me, and if you have a mistake like that, it's not important. Nobody will know when you're done. So, and I live in a busy area, so if you have a fire engine or police car going by and you hear it, I apologize. And the phone that I'm using to record this is okay, but sometimes um, the film gets blurry because apparently when I'm drawing is more important than, or what my hand is going is more important. So see the lines here, the extra lines, that's okay. We'll deal with it when we start to doodle. And you can be as mis mis meticulous as you want, and don't worry about turning the page. That I believe it makes it easier for you to doodle. So I sometimes will draw in an extra line. So I'm going to be doing a couple here. And I don't know what I'm going to doodle until I actually start doing it. Another thing like I like to do when I doodle is use different pen width. For example, I'm using a 06, and I'm using Thule Art because it's permanent when it dries, and it dries quickly. I'm using a 04, and a 02. So I did the outline with the 4, and now I'm going to do like filling in and rounding out the edges when two or more lines come together. Like, for example, this line connects with this one, so you have that, and then this down here. And it, at first, when you start doing it, it's kind of tedious, but the repetition is very soothing. So remember when you're doodling, just breathe, have the grip on the pen nice and relaxed. Release your shoulders and just have fun. See? Now it doesn't look like an accident. Normally I do the doodles early in the morning. That way the sun is consistent for a long time. But I had some things that I needed to do during the day, and I'm starting a little bit later than usual. So if you noticed the light changing, that's why. And the extra pencil, like here and here, that's why I have a needed eraser. I won't use it right now. I won't use it until I'm done, so that the ink won't smear. Oh, the Thule Art pens dry quickly. Some pens are slower to dry, but I find that Thule Art pens are pretty good as far as how fast they dry. And like I said, when you're done, and if you want to add on top of the lines, the ink won't smear. So how you like it so far? If you like it, if you could hit the like button, that would be great. And when you hit the like button, YouTube really likes it and sends it out to more viewers. And if you want to be notified when I upload another video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification that will send a signal that you want to see more videos from me. The video I'm going to recommend that you see is another one of these for combining shapes in your doodles. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video and got inspired. Thank you, and bye.